replacing the battery on a 2016 Nissan Versa Note, and this is the SV. This is a emergency parking lot repair. $128,765 miles. There we go. Looks super easy. Let me go ahead and prop this hood up and get to work. Alright, the battery is a group size T4/DL. Don't have all my tools with me, but this is a 8mm, or you can use a pair of needle nose vice grips will work as well. Always disconnect the negative first, and that takes a 10mm. Negative disconnected. Now for the positive. Always disconnect the negative so if you hit the positive against a something metal, it doesn't short out. Alright. Got to remove this snorkel. It takes a 10mm. Then it just pushes in this right here. Battery hold down takes a 14mm. Down. All right, I just removed the positive cover. for the battery. So I'm gonna hook up the positive. Negative. I had all my tools with me. I definitely would use a wrench for this, but that's all I have with me. Check it for tightness, everything's good. Re-hook up this little mini air intake. Tighten up the hose clamp. All right, give it a little test start and make sure everything's hooked up right. Oh yeah. Started absolutely right up. Looks like the back rear tire is a little bit low, so I'll throw a little air in that too. That is replacing the battery on a 2016 Nissan Versa Note SV. Super easy. Hardest part about this battery was finding one, because in my area it's a little bit hard to find. Everything looks good. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.